And we start with the tumescent for the liposuction. It just means I'm going to put some fluid in here, and what that fluid does is help make the fat a little firmer and prevent bruising. And I'm just putting it right into the love handle. It's going to look like it's getting bigger, but that's just because I'm putting fluid in here. I like to let it sit for a little while before I actually go. So we're going to let that sit and move on to the breast. She doesn't like the fact that her breast falls to the side. She wants a little more cleavage towards the middle, so I'm actually going to inside suture along here to push your breast more towards the cleavage. I can actually customize the way they look. That'll give her a lift. And I'm opening up her cleavage just a little bit. Almost bloodless. She's a good patient. Obviously, if you can do less scarring on the breast, the women are going to love it. If you think about the pocket like this around the breast, on this side I've opened it to make better cleavage, and the outside I've actually closed it together to push this implant that way.